All right, everybody, today we're going to talk to you about swivel seats. I'm going to give you a little better angle. Swivel seats. Everybody likes swivel seats, right, Jim?
That's right.
Everybody loves swivel seats. So, the Ford Transit. One of the only things I don't like about the Ford Transit is this right here. The emergency brake. They put the emergency brake there on the right-hand side, and you can't put a swivel because it won't swivel. That's where it would mount, and it would hit. Ford has two versions of the emergency brake. They have the US, which is what's here. They have the European, which when you lower the handle, this handle, when it's all the way down, if it touches the ground, then you have the European version. Ford in 2021, we have heard, is going to put a push stop emergency brake. So this be a button on your dash or somewhere. There's a company called eStop, S-T-O-P-P. They can take your van. It's like 500 bucks for the device. I don't know what they charge to install it, but they will take out your emergency brake and they will put the push stop one in, or the electronic one. Something very tricky. 2019 and 2020 and probably in 2021, this box right here that plugs into the bottom of the seat right there is too big to go into most of the van's swivel seats. What happens is, that light can you flip that light off? It's on the inside of the door. Sorry, my patio light just came on and it's giving y'all a little glare. So, swivelsurus.com has a huge hole. You can stick a dinner plate through this thing because you have to be able to feed this up through there to be able to plug back into the seat. So it's very simple. All you do is you unscrew the regular seat, you lay this down. There's some little pins right here. They come up through the hole in the plate. You put the 4 factory bolts back in, here, here, and here. It's like this when you get it. So you push this down. I'm sorry, you pull it up. Trying to do it with one hand. You basically take the seat off. You put the swivel in place, feed your cords up through the hole, use the original bolts to put it on, and then you want to turn this about a 45 degree or 90 degrees, 90 degrees from here to here so that you can get access to these holes. And these are the bolts that come with it, along with some nice instructions that are written in English. It's really cool. Anyway, and they come with these really neat, I'm going to show you this. I'll drop the washer. They come with those little airplane locking nuts. So what you're going to do is you're going to set the seat back on here. You feed your bolt and washer through, your nut on the bottom, and screw it into place. Super simple. Something you will need is that Allen thing right here. You will need a big Allen head. I bought a set at Harbor Freight for 12 bucks that come on a socket, because whenever you go to put them in, these are Allen heads, and it's a pain in the butt to use Allen wrenches when you're in little holes. Make sure that you disconnect the negative on your battery terminal before you unscrew that bolt on the front of that little box for your airbags where they plug in. So you unscrew that, you disconnect that, take out the 4 bolts, pull your seat off, put the swivel on, put the 4 original bolts back in, turn it 90 degrees, put the seat on there, use the bolts and washers they gave you to tighten it down, and then you are elevated about 1.5 inches on the passenger side, and you can swivel around and look really cool. That's all we got for you today. Hope that helps everybody. Swivels are us for Ford Transit. It's the easiest one. Oh, also, when you go on their website, they have a driver or passenger. I don't know why, because if you modified that, maybe they have something special going on. I don't know, but you want to order the passenger side. You got anything, Jim?
Stay safe, wear your belt.
That's right, wear your seatbelt. Everybody have a great day. We'll talk to you later.